back to the semi-off-grid cabin. That's what I'm calling myself nowadays because it's a little bit more accurate. I don't use off-grid because I'm not off-grid totally. I have power, but I have no running water or septic or anything like that. So I'm not on the water system. Have power, have internet, blah blah blah. Anyways, that's what I am now. Semi-off-grid. I don't know if anybody's using that, but people should more because it is kind of accurate. You know, the off-grid police out there. I don't want to get arrested on YouTube. Hey, so today it's Sunday, and look at me. I'm dressed for town. My coffee and my banana. So we're getting cold temperatures are coming. They're coming. Winter is coming. Well, winter's here. Look at that, winter wonderland. But the cold is coming. It's what, middle of November, and we haven't had really cold temperatures yet. The coldest we had, I think that one night it was minus 22 Celsius, but that didn't last. And then it shot up to, you know, minus 5. So we've been pretty lucky so far. Last year at this time it was minus 33. It was super early cold, and it seemed like it was that temperature all year. But anyways, it's the Yukon. What do you expect? You expect it to come. So the cold will be here. Winter is coming. Winter is almost here. So I'm going to town. It's we're supposed to get cold on Wednesday or Thursday. I'm going to town to stock up on everything I need. Basically, this next video is going to be me in a mad panic to prepare for the week and the upcoming cold. Here's the roads. Not too bad today. Not full of snow. Nice and clear. Perfect. It is -7 out. Day 2 of burning at that big pile. I don't know if it's going to take that stump or not, but I hope it does because that thing is huge. So this is a pile I burnt last night out here. And then that, oh yeah, it looks like it is hitting the stump. I don't think I can move that thing. Ah. I was wondering if that one is going to burn that post. I hope it does because I don't want it. Sadie, are you mesmerized by the fire? She's like, that's warm. It's actually super warm out today. Why is fire so mesmerizing? I don't know. Okay, here's what's left of the big stump and that pile. I'm gonna burn it all down. It's very exciting. So I did that. Let's see what else I did on that stump. I want I've tried to burn like 10 times and it won't burn. This one, whoa, that one went up. Holy cow. It's awesome. 3 fires going. I think it's about 5 o'clock Saturday and I think I'm done. Another day on the trails. That's really all I do. But looks like I'm really bundled up, but it's not even that cold, although the wind gets a little nippy when you go fast. Not that I'm going fast, but you can see it's very cloudy today, very overcast. There's a little bit of snow coming down, but not much. Doesn't make much of a difference, which is awesome because I'm not getting stuck yet. Feeling a lot better now. It's Monday. I'm back at work for the first time in almost 2 weeks. And feeling pretty good. Have some energy. This is the other side of the creek. I haven't been here. I don't think I filmed here yet this year. I've just been crossing it a few times. But the dogs love it because it's like new trails. It's nice to get over here and check out the new smells. See what trees have come down on my trail over the summer. And there's been a few, so I should get the chainsaw out here. But let's go take a look at the creek because it's quite fascinating. This is what I get excited about. Frozen creeks. Hey, 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 do you get excited about frozen creeks? Do you want to go look at the creek that we just crossed 2 seconds ago? Yeah, I know, the creek. The creek. Okay, this is Lewis and FOSSEY. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so here's the creek that I have gotten stuck in numerous times over the years. Skidoos, quads, you name it. I've been stuck in it. But yeah, it goes up there. It's called a dry creek, but it is obviously not dry right now. And it's interesting what happens here over the winter. It changes every year. Like some years it's been up like 5-6 feet higher because my trail here kind of creates like a bridge, not a bridge, but like a barricade, and the water will flow up to it and then it'll just build up and up and up. Other years it gathers on that side. It's really just depends on the weather and temperature. So I never know what I'm going to get when I come up here. Sometimes there's overflow, so it's, you know, it's the water on the top. So that's where I usually get stuck, is in the overflow. Right here, I wasn't sure what I was going to get. When I was on that side, I didn't know if it was if this was just a thin layer of ice, but I seemed to get over it. But you can see it's a little bit soft. A little bit soft there. So I just went across really fast. And we'll see what happens. I should be fine on the way back. I gotta come here again with the other guys. Second group here. Hey, Maggie, say hi. Hi. Huh? What is it? Where's your ball? Get your ball. Oh, there it is. Oh, I didn't know you had it. You're so smart. You and your pink ball in the forest. My tough husky with his pink ball. What? Am I making fun of you? You're so funny. Ready to go? Ready to go? Get it. Okay. So I'm in the process of moving my freezers, and I thought, well, this is exciting. Everybody should be privileged enough to watch this exciting development in my yard. The freezers were on the other side of the cabin, but I need that area to plow snow if we get a crap ton of snow. I've been shimming it over here. So that is... Seriously, no respect for the art of filmmaking. Almost empty, by the way, so it's not so heavy. It's just a little awkward. I'm still in my post-COVID exhaustion. Probably took me like 20 minutes.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby.
always fun. Hair's starting to freeze. Yeah, it is about minus 14 Celsius today. Cooling off. The cold snap is coming Thursday. It is Tuesday. It is going to be here. Minus 30. Oh, get a little warm ripping around on the quad. Get those trees. Yeah, we've been socked in for a few days and it's predicted to last until the cold hits. So when the cold hits, it'll be like minus 28 or 30. And that will mean no snow because it doesn't snow when it's that cold. But the sun comes out then too. So that's kind of the upside of the colder weather is it's usually clear out. And it'd be nice to see the sun for a couple days. Yep. Okay, entertain the people. Choking up elk poop. Why are you digging in the ice? No, don't jump on me. You know better. Get your ball. That stupid ball is so destroyed. Let's show them how you've destroyed that ball. It used to be a squeaky ball. There's absolutely nothing in it. You can see that. It's empty. No squeakies left. You ruined it. You ruined it. You ruined everything. Oh my god, this weirdo makes me laugh. Get it. Oh, look at that kick. Okay, should we go finish our run? Maggie, you're being very patient with your annoying brother. Okay, let's hit the road. Well, it's Wednesday night and this is what I just heard out my window. A big pile of snow slid off my roof and turned on my sensor light, and this is what I see. It is puking down snow out there. Look at that. Oh man, I'm gonna have to plow. Dang it! Let's look outside. Oh geez. Oh geez. Look at that. Well, it's here. I was really hoping the big snowfall would not come this year. Look at that, are you kidding me? COVID. Look at that. It's about 9 o'clock at night. Sheesh. Okay, it's the morning after the big snow. I'm gonna go see how much snow is out there. Dogs are ready. You ready? Oh, good God. Oh my gosh. It's still snowing. It's like 7 in the morning. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I think I know what I'm doing for the next couple days. Look at how deep that is. Oh, no. My trails. Oh, this is just insane. I'm not getting out of here today. Okay, so it's breakfast. Hey, it's breakfast time for the dogs, and I can't find their bowls. There's so much snow. So we got to kick around here for the bowls. Oh my gosh. Where are they, you guys? Oh, I think there's one there. There's one. Where's the other one? Oh, there's the other one. This is crazy. Look at all that. That was overnight. Pooh Bear wants her food too. You hungry? Are you starving to death? Well, it's plowing time. Got the plow on okay. Had troubles with it last year, but I think I got it figured out this year because it was a little wonky, the frame. Anyways, it's working. And just did this little bit in front of the cabin. That's the priority, in front of the cabin, so I don't have to wade through snow. And then the driveway. I can't even see where it is. It's over there. You know, that big white mass of snow. So that's what I'm doing next. blustery still, a little bit chilly, but I'm making some headway here. I felt like there was like a foot of snow, but there's probably only about 6 inches or so. So here's my lovely driveway entrance, seeing dirt. I love that. Oh, here comes another car. Embarrassing. Not going too bad. Look at that. Pretty good. Trying to make it as wide as possible. Like I'm going way into the trees. I'm going off road just so I can push the snow as far off as early in the season as I can before it turns into hard rock berms and prevents me from plowing when we get like 20 more feet of snow a couple months down the road, which happened last year and I was kind of screwed on the driveway. I had to do so much extra work and shoveling that I don't want to do that this year. So that is my plan. Make this sucker wide like a highway. And yeah, I'm almost done. It's a little frosty out. Feels pretty warm. Once you're out for a while, it's about minus 18 right now. Once you're out for a while doing stuff, it feels okay. So I'm just about done. Still have lots to do in the yard, but that can wait for the weekend. The steam coming out from the door. Here is the sun at high noon. Well, it's that time of year. The cold is finally here. The extreme cold. It was almost, I'm out of breath. It was almost minus 40 last night. It was minus 39.6. So it was a chilly night. I've only been out for like less than 10 minutes. I'm frosting up. So I'm just hauling in some wood right now. And it's heavy. So I'm just bringing in some wood because I'm going through a lot of it right now. When it's this cold, it's just filling the wood box nonstop. So I gotta do that. Gotta empty out my indoor toilet, which I have a dump out here that I put it in. Gotta do that. And that's pretty much it, because today it is not gonna get much warmer. Sure, it's beautiful. Got lots of wood, so that's good, but dang, it's cold. These damn rocks.